Hello, IM students. Today we're going to go over questions 3, 4, 5, and 6 for a Unit 2, Topic 1 study guide. Let's start with question number 3. Question 3 tells us to write an equivalent expression to 4 minus a negative 5. Well, I know if I am subtracting integers, all I need to do is turn that into an addition problem, and when I do that, that will become an equivalent expression. But in order to turn this into an addition problem, I have to do 3 simple steps. Keep, change, change, or KCC. Keep, change, change. So, when I do keep, change, change, 4 remains the same. The subtraction sign turns into an addition sign. And the negative 5 turns into a positive 5. So, when it says write an equivalent expression, 4 minus negative 5 is the same exact thing. It is equivalent to 4 plus a positive 5. And that is your answer. Let's take a look at number 4, which asks us the same question. Write an equivalent expression to negative 6 minus a negative 4. Well, it's subtracting again. So in order to change this into an addition problem, I again have to do keep, change, change, or KCC. So I keep negative 6 the same. I change the subtraction to an addition. And I change the negative 4 into a positive 4.5. Excuse me, I said negative 4. I meant negative 4.5. I have to change that into a positive 4.5. So negative 6 plus a positive 4.5 is an equivalent expression to negative 6 minus a negative 4.5. So this would be my answer. Let's go to question number 5. Question number 5 asks us, which expression are equivalent to negative 8.9 minus a negative 2.1? Circle all that apply. So in this case, we're not writing our own one, but we're going to circle all that apply. And let me give you a hint. When you see circle all that apply, that generally, doesn't always, but it generally means there's going to be more than one right answer. So I'm going to change this problem into an addition problem. And I'm going to do that by doing keep, change, change again. So I'm going to change into negative 8.9 plus a positive 2.1. So I know that this equation right here is equivalent to this equation over here. Now I'm going to look at my possible answers over here. I know for the first one has to start with negative 8.9 because we always keep the first one the same. So I'm going to look at my answers, and wherever I don't see a negative 8.9, I know it cannot be that answer. So I'm going to cross out C because I know it cannot be C. I'm also going to cross out E because that also has a positive 8.9 instead of the negative 8.9. So now I've already narrowed my choices down to only 3 choices. But remember, the question is asking us to circle all that apply, which might mean there's more than one right answer. So I have to be careful. I'm next going to look at the addition signs. Well, I noticed right away that A has a subtraction sign, so they did not change that. So I know it cannot be A, because that would be keep, change, instead of keep, change, change. Now I'm going to look at B and D. I notice that B is negative 8.9 plus 2.1. Negative 8.9 plus 2.1. Well, I know that negative 8.9 plus a positive 2.1 is the same thing as saying negative 8.9 plus 2.1 because this is implied to be positive. So B is in fact correct. I also know that D, negative 8.9 plus a positive 2.1, is the exact one I came up with. So the answers for this would be question B and D. Let's give this question one more try, looking at number 6. Number 6 again asks us which expressions are equivalent to 3.7 minus 6.5. So we're going to start off by doing keep, change, which means I keep 3.7 the same. I change this to an addition sign, and I change the 6.5 to a negative 6.5. Now I have an equivalent expression. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at these answers, and I know I can eliminate B because that's negative 3.7, and we don't change that first one. And I can eliminate E because that also is negative 3.7. Now, 3.7 plus 6.5, that does not work because they didn't change the negative 6. The positive 6.5 into the negative 6.5. So I know it cannot be A. 3.7 plus negative 6.5 and 3.7 plus a negative 6.5 in parentheses mean the same exact thing. So I know that C is correct, and I know that D is correct. I hope this was able to help you out, and good luck with the rest of the study guide.